Welcome to another video. It's the African Tiger here in the heart of Kampala. This is coming from the middle of town, CBD. I'm on Rubaga Road, Kampala. Down that side is Miracle Center, and this takes you up to the hill where the cathedral is, Rubaga Cathedral. So guys, road repairs taking place along Rubaga Road. Thought I'd give you an update of how things are looking. Voila, this is how it is. I think lots of businesses must be struggling just a little bit. Businesses along this street must be feeling the struggle just a little bit because of the what might be like a distraction, but which is going to be good when it's all said and done. Yeah, so pretty much this is what's taking shape along Rubaga Road. Just walk with me and see what's happening. See what is happening along Rubaga Road, connecting to Namirembe Road. Constructions taking place. The drainages have been worked on. Drainage has been worked on. It's taken some time as well, this road. They always take long, I don't know why. As you guys can see over there, drainage being given priority, as it should be, seeing that there are some places of Kampala which used to get flooded when the downpour is much. Small scuffle going on there between the gentleman walking and boda guys. He's complaining that the boda guys don't like to follow rules, which is quite true in Kampala. It's almost as if boda guys make their own rules. Drainage. The new building. That building over there is fairly new. I don't think it's more than a year. It's changed the face of this area. The road has been expanded slightly. Yeah, so the construction works don't go up. Up is okay, but then they go this side. This is now Namirembe Road. This road connects you to Kabusu. I'll show you a little bit of here as well. What is happening in Kampala? Developments taking place. This is now Namirembe Road. Has been widened. I have a feeling there are going to be lights somewhere there at that center. There might be lights. I'm going to put traffic lights over there. Yeah, so just here you have a perfect view of Rubaga. Sorry, is it Rubaga Cathedral? Yeah, Rubaga Cathedral. Okay, that's how it's looking. Construction goes up to where that track is. Is it a casino track or something? Yeah, so renovations taking place just over this entire area. The other side, the road goes to Bolange Mengo, where the administrative block of the Buganda Kingdom is. Then just up over there where the yellow bus is, which is global, that continues up to the cathedral, Rubaga Cathedral, for the Catholic Church. Yeah, that is it, guys. Quick update right there. African Tiger, remain yours truly. Subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video. Be catching you guys in the next one, but right not now. I want to climb up Rubaga Road, so let me cross over to this side, but that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Some changes taking place in this part, this side of town. So I'm just going to be taking a walk on this Rubaga Road, trying to be getting to the hill, and have some small thing to take care of up there. Yeah, so guys, this takes you up to the cathedral. Kampala, 2025 January. This is how Rubaga division is looking like. Kampala is made up of 5 divisions, and Rubaga is one of them. The other ones are Kampala Central, Kawempe, Nakawa. Yes, sir. A lot of dust. Yeah, so it looks like this is where it all starts or stops, should I say. Huge excavators over there handling the work. Catch you guys in the next one. Adios, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.